There are cultures out there that have their own special holidays they celebrate. One being like a Saint's Day or a Name's Day. So you literally invite your family and friends to eat your food and drink your drinks. I'm not exactly sure how this all got started, but I'm sure God was pulling names out of a hat. I'm sure he got tired down the way because everyone and their mother celebrates Saint Nick. It starts to get tough when you're invited to multiple homes in one day because you can't be at two places at once. But you want to be respectful. For Saint Nick, I got 5 parties to go to. I have to take off work to attend all of these functions. Not only that, I have to ice skate to these people's houses like I'm Christy Yamaguchi because Saint Nick is celebrated in the winter. It's worse when you're carrying gifts. Speaking of which, it's typical to come to a person's house bearing a bottle of booze. But some people go the extra mile and throw in a bar of chocolate, ground coffee, and even a re-gifted Mikasa crystal bowl that nobody wants. Some moms leave the price tag on by mistake, so I hope HomeGoods can give me store credit for these toothbrush holders that I don't want. Preparing for this holiday is like a production. Gotta bring the tables in, bring the chairs in, deep clean the house, wash the already clean china in the dishwasher we only use once a year for that reason. I try to relieve my mom's stress by helping out, and it usually goes something like this. Yo, I got so much to do, but my back hurts. Nobody helps me. No, that's okay, Tanya, I don't need help. I still have to wrap the sadama. I keep telling your father to stop inviting people. I can't do this anymore. No, I can't serve store-bought food so they can talk shit about me. You crazy? Go get the eggs from downstairs.
Nobody helps me.
Here's what goes on the day of. Well, the priest comes at a designated time to do a blessing of the house and a prayer. You better pray to God he doesn't open that closet door because I sure as hell did not pick up the clothes off the floor. I shoved it in the closet. No matter how clean your house is, he's still probably judging the way you live. When it comes to the table, we do a certain routine, and during the whole situation, I'm like, just fucking vacuum this floor. If I see another crumb hit the ground, I swear I'm gonna fucking lose it. Which one of these are the clean ones? Would you say it again?
Can I get a Coke?
One more water,
Hold
please.
on!
One more beer, please.
Okay, all y'all getting waters right now. Fuck this. Pretty much your house is a restaurant for a day with a revolving door. Towards the end of the day, there's always those people that tend to linger around and don't get the drift. When they finally get up, it's always nice to say, no, stay, sit down, where are you rushing to? When you really want them to get the fuck out of your house because you're tired as hell. But you gotta be polite. Once it's all over, you gotta deep clean your house because that day is the only day you're walking up in my house with shoes on. Then you repeat it the following year. Yippee.
Keep posted on upcoming videos by subscribing to my channel down here. Follow me on Snapchat and Instagram at surgeon_general and Facebook and Twitter at surgeongeneral.